The third-generation Sprinter is the latest in a line that first debuted in 1995, reached the United States market in 2001, and launched in its current iteration in 2006. Mercedes has made some 3.4 million of them to date, most wearing the three-pointed silver star. But they've also been sold as Freightliners, Dodges, and even Volkswagens. The Dodges and VWs are no longer part of the equation, but variety still is, with multiple body styles, body lengths, cab designs, payload ratings, load compartment heights, and drivetrain layouts. Mercedes says its new van will offer no fewer than 1,700 different configurations. That's not even including engine, color, seating, and HVAC choices. On a global basis, the new Sprinter will be offered with two turbo diesel engine options, a 2.1-liter inline-4 and a 3.0-liter 6, with outputs ranging from 114 to 190 horsepower. There will be a gasoline option offered for the United States market as well, although details of that offering haven't been released. Mercedes also unveiled the battery-powered S-Sprinter, which adapts its powertrain from the smaller Evito launched in Europe this past November. Depending on the engine, buyers will choose from a 6-speed manual, 7-speed automatic, or 9-speed automatic transmission, and 3 drivetrain configurations are on offer: rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, or, for the first time, front-wheel drive. Neither the manual nor the front-wheel drive version will be offered in the States, but in markets where it will, the front driver will be both lighter and cheaper than the rear-wheel drive models and is claimed to offer better traction and handling, particularly under lighter loads, as well as a lower load floor and a higher maximum payload. The new Sprinter also will come in panel van, passenger van, bus, pickup, chassis cab, and tractor head versions. That modularity will help Mercedes better cater to a seemingly endless array of purposes and applications. The Sprinter can tow up to 7,700 pounds, haul more than 6,600 pounds, or transport as many as 19 passengers, plus driver. Coach builders, which convert about half of all new Sprinters sold, promise to extend its versatility even further into RVs, food trucks, and other commercial applications.